Alright, so this is the Ergonomic Wrist Rest Pro by Razer for full-sized keyboards, and at the back it's kind of showcasing the cooling gel, and also has memory foam, special heat transfer fabric. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. So we have the wrist rest itself, and it also comes with some Razer stickers, so this is quite nice. This is the actual foam. I mean the wrist rest, not the foam. The rubber padding here at the bottom, it really does a great job on the anti-slip. You can actually feel the cooling gel. Actually kind of soft. It's not like the, it feels like a rough fabric. It's not like that. It's like super soft. I actually have this wrist rest, this one, which is from my Razer Huntsman. As you can see right here, the leather actually got torn up. That's why I bought this one, and it actually fits pretty well. It is also angled, so if I were to put my wrists, it's like resting very comfortably. I doubt that it will actually tear just like this one, because it is a really soft fabric, so it really wouldn't break that easily or tear that easily unless if you were like to cut it with a cutter. So this is what it looks like when it's on my Razer Huntsman, and the height of the wrist rest is actually perfect. It's not like too low and it's not also too high. It's actually more comfortable than the original wrist rest of the Razer Huntsman. It's actually softer compared to this. Alright, so there really isn't any much to talk about this. It's just a wrist rest. I'm just here to test out the quality and if it fits on my keyboard, which it does. So I'm really happy about that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If I missed anything, you can leave it in the comments down below. Give this video a like if this was useful to you, and also don't forget to subscribe because it really helps out with the channel and it really encourages me to make more videos just like this one.